We're gathered here today to have a look at the next video in our little series on radioactivity. Last time we looked at atoms, elements and isotopes. You can have a little look at the video, I think there'll be a link up there. And today we're going to look at molecules and compounds, and you will learn the difference between the two. Thanks for joining me. Let's go. And if we go back to the periodic table, we can see up the top there we've got three elements: carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. They all have some relevance to nuclear power. And if we look here, what we've got are some illustration of some molecules. Oxygen is O2. That is a combination of two atoms of oxygen bound together to form an oxygen molecule. We then have carbon dioxide, which is CO2. That is a compound, which is a molecule still of one carbon atom bound together with two oxygen atoms. That has been formed by a chemical reaction. And similarly, water, H2O, that is a compound of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom to form a water molecule. And so to explain the connection with the molecules that we just listed, carbon dioxide was used in the Magnox reactors and in all but Sizewell B on all the advanced gas cool reactors. Carbon dioxide is used as the heat transfer gas, which is circulated through the core of the reactor, then out to the heat exchanger, where that makes steam, of course, which is a state of water, H2O. Then that steam drives the turbines and from there generates electricity. The other is nitrogen. That is used to calm down a reactor, to put in nitrogen gas, and that is set up on a couple at least of the current advanced gas cool reactors in the UK. I guess this was just a little chemistry lesson to enable you to discern the difference between a molecule and a compound. Remember that a compound is still a molecule, but it has a combination of different atoms. So a combination of the same atom is just a molecule. A combination of different atoms, such as carbon dioxide, in other words CO2, that is a compound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to do my best to get the blob to come up here, and we look forward to talking again in the not too distant future. Cheers.